So today was definitely a day at the range, and me and Lynne went up, bit of an Anchutuz shootout, 1710 XLR versus the 1710 kelbly. Kelby's got an IOR 3 to 25 on it, first focal plane. Both guns are fitted with an easy tuner brake, only for the tuning purposes really, and the XLR is fitted with a Zeiss S5 5 to 25. So how did we get on? Well, quite windy, 10 mile an hour, switching winds as ever on that range. And this is Lynne's. Let's make sure I get that in the right order. Yeah, this is Lynne's best effort for the day, a 0.528 and a 1025, giving us an average of 776.5, and that was shot with the ever trusty R50. Now this is mine, best one of the day, top row. The one in the box is 0.887. The one over there is 0.632, giving me an average of 7595. Now this is at 100 meters, not 100 yards. So, but the best group of the day definitely went to Lynne. She managed to shoot that, a 0.247. Just a pity she didn't string it in with one of these other ones, else she would have beat me. But there we go, guys. Good day, fun at the range. Catch you all again. Cheers and gone.